crochet friends, I'm Mo, your crochet companion. I want to take a minute to explain a project I've been working on called the Stitchery Files, because this series is intentional, a little different, and that's the whole point. The Stitchery Files is a hybrid crochet series. It combines two things: a beginner-friendly crochet tutorial and a cozy, slow burn mystery story. Each episode teaches a stitch and then tells a piece of the story. Every episode follows the same rhythm. First, we learn the stitch, step by step, at an easy pace. Once your hands understand the movement and settle into a rhythm, the story begins. You listen while you stitch. One block per episode. One mystery per block. This is a 25-episode crochet-along mystery blanket. There are 24 episodes. That equals 24 different stitches. And then episode 25, we're assembling the full blanket. Each episode creates one square of the final blanket and one chapter of the mystery. The story is continuous, so if you want the full experience, you'll want to start with episode 1, where the town, the characters, and the mystery are introduced. I do want to be transparent about one thing. The first 5 episodes, they're a little different from the rest. They were part of me experimenting with the format, blending the tutorial directly into the story. And quite frankly, I learned pretty quickly that it wasn't the best viewing experience. So, the format evolves. After those early episodes, the structure becomes very clear and consistent. Tutorial first, mystery after. I've left those early episodes up because they're part of the journey and part of the story, but the series really finds its rhythm after that. The series was intentionally created to be beginner-friendly. You don't need advanced skills. You don't need complicated techniques. You don't need to keep up with fast pacing. Every stitch is taught clearly, with the assumption that you're learning, not performing. If you can chain, single crochet, double crochet, maybe even throw a single crochet foundation row in there sometimes, then you're already equipped to follow along. One last thing. If you're here for just the crochet tutorials, you can absolutely stitch along and stop there. If you're here just for the story, I do have timestamps that let you jump straight to the mystery. But if you stay for both, that's where this series really shines. The Stitchery Files is about more than finishing a blanket. It's about how stories, like stitches, are built one deliberate loop at a time. However you choose to watch, welcome to the investigation. Until next time, keep your stitches steady, your knots honest, and may your hooks never hide.